Hello, and welcome to another installment of instructional videos for the Young Archivist Research Network. We will be reviewing how to access and use Newsbank to read issues of the Denton Record Chronicle. By the end of this video, you should be aware of what kind of resource Newsbank is, how to access Newsbank from the Denton Public Library website, and how to download clippings in text and image format, depending on which is better suited to your archival and research needs. Alright, party people, we'll start by going to the Denton Public Library website, which you should all have bookmarked by now. Next, we'll click on the Online Library button located on the menu bar. From there, hover over to this genealogy header and you will see Denton newspapers. Go ahead and click on that. Obviously, we're looking for the Denton Record Chronicle, and once you click on that, it will take you to this login for the site. Put in your library card, please don't steal mine. And here we are at the Denton Record Chronicle collection. As you can see, there are 3 different sources. Don't worry about this last one. We'll discuss blogs and their archival significance next month. So the difference between these top 2 collections is that one is in text format and one is an image of the actual printed Denton Record Chronicle newspaper. The one that is just text doesn't quite look like the online version of the DRC. It's as if someone copy and pasted the online version, but I'll give you an example in just a second. And that's only available from 2004 through today, while the image format is available from 2018 through today. Both of these formats have their uses for research, as you can probably guess, and you will need to give it some thought as to which you prefer for your research session, because Newsbank actually makes you choose between the 2 quite early on. If you don't choose between the 2 and you say, all right, I'm going to do some research on Easter, for example, it will give you basically double the results, but some of those results are repeated. For example, this is an obituary for Doris May Potter Lang, and that same obituary is going to show up over here. So it doesn't really add any value to your search to have them both at the same time. All right, let's go ahead and start with the text version, just because that one is the one that has the most information. Go ahead and open it. Okay, let's start with our ongoing research about Quakertown Park and Quakertown area in Denton. Here we can see something interesting that might be relevant to the history of Quakertown. There's a documentary going on. You can go ahead and download it as a PDF, and it will thankfully include the citation for you. And download that. You can also just copy it if you want a direct quote. You can cite it, export it specifically to RefWorks or EasyBib, or just copy it from here. Now let's compare what you would get in the other version. Not the text format, but the image format. Go ahead and open up the image format. You don't want to copy the entire title. Sometimes the image format search is a little finicky. So let's just do a Quakertown documentary. That should be enough to get us a result. Here we go. Page 1. Oh, and there it is. Down here, in comparison to the text format, you see this is real different. And in order to get a clipping of this, you hit the little scissors, select clip, scroll down, make sure you get all of it. And if you notice here at the bottom, or I'm about to show you, let's go ahead and include that citation again. Zoom in, it says see film on 4A, which means, of course, that this is continued on 4A, so we don't have the full picture here yet. You'd have to go to the 4A page and grab the rest of the clipping here. Okay,